starting here with the radio. We have all your simple options, your audio, your home, and your apps. We'll start with the audio. So audio, you can go in, you can pick AM, FM, you can do Bluetooth, and I'll show you how to do that. You just click over here on your source. If you have a phone or if Bluetooth audio, anything you want to hook up, all you have to do is click on the Bluetooth audio button. If you want to listen to AM radio, it's right there. Also, you have the chance to subscribe to XM radio also and get all the radio stations without commercials or anything like that. It's pretty simple. If I wanted to do that, I just click there and I go in and select a device. Right now it's Alex's iPhone. I don't want to connect to Alex, I want to connect to mine, so I would just go in and click add. I can also get rid of Alex's phone there and just click remove. It's pretty simple. I'd click on add there, and you just want to be on Bluetooth on your own personal phone. It'll pop right up. You click on Toyota Highlander, it'll be named right there, and you just click on it and it'll connect very easily. Go back to the home button. This brings you back to your home. You can kind of set your own home screen to how you want it. This one's got the phone and the navigation right here, and then along with the radio, if it was playing the radio right now, it would show you what station you were on right there.